Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing basic limits, so act now. First, set the phone's media volume and the app volume to maximum. Next, verify the car head unit's input gain and source selection so you're not boosting a weak source. Once done, enable Android developer options and prepare to change audio behaviors. You'll use an equalizer app and system-level settings to raise perceived loudness without distortion, so make sure all power and cable connections are stable before proceeding. Now adjust deeper settings to increase output. In developer options, disable any software volume limit if present. This removes artificial caps. If using Bluetooth, toggle absolute volume. Some head units clip with it on, others perform better with it off, so test both. Open your equalizer app. Boost low mids around 100 to 300 Hz for presence and lift 2 to 5 kHz for clarity. Use mild compression to raise average loudness. Test at moderate levels and listen for distortion as you proceed. Finish by confirming stable, louder output without distortion. Play a variety of tracks at a safe test volume and listen carefully. If you hear clipping, back off boosts and reset gain staging on phone and head unit. If loudness remains insufficient, the only reliable hardware fix is an external amplifier or swapping to higher sensitivity speakers. Check speaker impedance and wiring before replacing components. If anything breaks or audio degrades, revert the change settings, try another source, and inspect cables and connectors. Those are common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.